Hi, I'm Captain Steve, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new SeaKits product called SeaKits Essentials. Previously, we took a look at their SeaKits Expedition, which is intended for heavy-duty offshore emergencies on boats hundreds of miles from land and help. Today, we'll be looking at the new mid-size kit, SeaKits Essentials, which has been specifically designed for boats in coastal waters. Let's climb aboard and see how this damage control, crisis management, and safety solution, all packed into one case, can literally be a lifesaver if the unexpected happens. Like its bigger counterpart, the SeaKits Expedition, this kit comes in a highly durable floating pelican case. While a little smaller and more compact than the Expedition, it's still filled with the best-in-class, top-quality tools and equipment, carefully selected to meet the most likely problems you could encounter. And it can easily be stored close at hand. Of course, the most dangerous problem on a boat is taking on water. This has happened to me several times over the years, and I can tell you that typically there's no warning. Everything seems fine. The sea can even be like a mill pond. When underway, whenever you feel an unusual motion of your boat, you should immediately check the bilge. Chances are you've taken on water and it's sloshing from side to side. When at anchor, if you hear a stream of water for more than a few seconds, that's not your generator while water discharge. It means your bilge pump is working constantly, and you've got a problem. Once you find water in the bilge, time is of the essence. First, grab your SeaKit Essential and take out the flashlight, because it's dark in the bilge and you'll likely need it. With an inboard boat, the first place to check is the engine compartment, because that's where most of the through hulls and hoses are. Once you discover the origin of the water determined by sight or feel, if it's a hole in the hull, a through hull that is corroded off, a rubber hose that is rotted through, or the metal hose clamp that is rusted out and let go, chances are that one of the four has happened. Now you reach into the SeaKit for the ready-made fix. If you've hit something that punctured the fiberglass hull, you stuff the True Plug into that hole. True Plug's soft cone-shaped form allows it to be compressed by hand into any hole smaller than its diameter. Its foam formulation is specifically designed to fill irregular shapes, effectively reducing or eliminating most incoming water flows. If a through hull fitting is corroded through and fallen off, you reach for the True Plug Mini. These through foam plugs are far more effective than wood cones, and certainly better than jamming rags or whatever into the breech. More likely, a rubber hose is rotted out or a hose clamp is rusted through. If this is the culprit, pull out the roll of T-Rex duct tape from the kit. T-Rex is the strongest duct tape on the market. It's waterproof, double thick, and has high tensile strength for durability. Once the water flow is stopped, reach in the kit for the Gerber NTX multi-tool and cut the tape, because you'll never cut it with your hands. If a hose clamp is let go, the SeaKit Essentials has a full selection for replacement. If your problem is electrical, the kit has 10 feet of extreme silicone tape that will repair chafed wires or even stop leaks in copper pipes. And once you've fixed the problem, if you're still concerned, SeaKits has even packed the Sirius Signal C1003 SOS Distress Kit and Sirius Signal Daytime Distress Signal Flag. It floats, lasts longer than a traditional flare, and can be seen for up to 10 miles. It also fulfills the U.S. Coast Guard's visual distress requirement and eliminates the risk that goes along with an open flame. I think you're beginning to get the idea. The folks at SeaKits have worked with the leading authorities in boating calamities offshore and have sourced absolutely the best products to be in your resource kit, so you can have the peace of mind that you're prepared for almost anything. To find out more about SeaKits products, go to their website at SeaKits.com. For BoatTEST.com, I'm Captain Steve. We'll see you on the water with your SeaKit.